Ever wonder why your grandmother always insisted on eating your greens? Could what's on your plate truly be the key to combating common health issues? The answer, unsurprisingly, is a resounding yes. One such green powerhouse that deserves a shout-out is the humble broccoli. Believe it or not, this tree-like vegetable holds an arsenal of health benefits. First on the list is its ability to support heart health. Broccoli is a rich source of fiber, which aids in lowering cholesterol levels. An ally to the heart indeed. Next, it's a champion for our vision. Packed with beta-carotene, lutein and zeaxanthin, broccoli protects the eyes from macular degeneration and cataracts. It's like wearing invisible sunglasses, only better. Thirdly, broccoli is a warrior against cancer. It contains sulforaphane, a compound that has shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. It's like having a personal bodyguard, always on the lookout for trouble. Not to forget, broccoli also boosts our body's defense system. Rich in vitamin C, it enhances our immune system, preparing it to ward off any invaders that threaten our health. Last but not least, it aids in bone health. The calcium and vitamin K in broccoli are essential for bone health and prevention of osteoporosis. It's like having a built-in armor, strengthening our skeletal structure. So, there you have it. Broccoli, the unassuming green veggie, is a heart ally, a vision protector, a cancer warrior, an immune booster, and a bone fortifier. Next time you see broccoli on your plate, remember it's not just a vegetable. It's a multifaceted health champion, ready to support you in your journey towards a healthier life. Broccoli, a true testament to the phrase, "Good things come in small packages." It's time we all give it the recognition it deserves. So go ahead, add a little more green to your plate, your body will thank you.